How to view saved jobs on Upwork. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using Upwork and want to find the jobs you've saved for later, then first of all open up the Upwork application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, go ahead and tap on the little heart icon at the top right corner, and you'll be able to find your saved jobs on the next tab. Browse the list of the jobs you've saved, tap on any job to open up its details. From here, you can review the job and apply if you're ready. So that's how you easily view your saved jobs on Upwork in just a quick, simple way. It is super simple, isn't it? If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.